Apologies if yesterday's pop wailings hurt your eardrums. Thing is, my vocal apparatus has more of a retro tuning. So anywhere on the spectrum from Elvis to Britney Spears, it's a happy coincidence if I happen to hit the right keys. See, my native tuning is more of a medieval bard from east of India. Amara jivana sada paparata naiko shunyeralisha. I do, once in a dark moon, enjoy dropping novel Fenno-Ugric incantations. But that doesn't really keep the audience engaged in your average karaoke night, does it? More ancient invocations rock, though Aramaic and Arabic I just do for the giggles, not really an expert. Triambakam yajamani sugandhing pushti vardakam urvarukani vabandhanat mrityur mukshiyamamritatum. Mahamrityunjaya, that's a classic and an obvious bridger to death metal gigs. Into the dark side, into the grave. Hurts your throat like hell though if you do that at some length and volume. I rather enjoy hybrid throat singing with a mishmash of lyrics. Then do you want to hear the 16-fold spectrum of light language from the Intergalactic Federation of Bullshit? Well, we can do that, but not today. So sound is fun, but mainstream is challenging. Ergo, I much prefer wailing by myself in the wilderness, and the forest ever echoes with laughter. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been walking with my dog. Kitty cat, eat your snack. Galileo, pick a poop. Gloria in Excelsis Deo. How cool is all of that? I see, baby. I see, baby, to go. And you gonna like my rap.